Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so we're in Habits of a Successful Beginner Band Musician. This is page 37. We have Carmen, which is a very chromatic song, actually part of an opera. Then we have the concert A-flat scale. So you have to watch out for your D flats in that one. Lazy Days, same thing with the D flat. And then we get to 161, and which is the concert C scale. No sharps, no flats, everything's natural, including E naturals and B naturals. And the low F scale. Check the lighting. And once you have your chromatics locked in, it's pretty easy to get through that, just watching where they throw the A flat, A natural, and the G flat in there. And here's that A flat scale. And Lazy Days. All right, C scale with thirds. And last on the page, F scale with thirds. At least this one you get the full scale. In that C scale, you didn't get the full scale. In the A flat you did, but they didn't complete the thirds the way I normally would while warming up. Oh. Let's try that again. And again. Man. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.